Hello, little learners. Welcome to FunSeed Kidzy, where you play 교선 together.
Hello again, little friends. Today we learn more letters J, K, L. Are you ready? Let's start together. This is letter J. J says ja. J is for juice. This is letter K. K says ka. K is for kite.
This is letter L. L says L. L is for lion. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. Great job!
J juice sip sip, K kite flying flip, L lion roar with me, JKL learn happily.
Bye-bye, little learners. See you next time.
Subscribe for more fun learning.